Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. First of all, thank you so much for all your support. Finally, we are a family of 1K subscribers. I thank you so much. And I'll be doing a giveaway pretty soon, so please stay tuned. Talking about today's look, today I'm here with another festive makeup tutorial. For that I have created this rose gold and brown smoky eye look with a little bit of glitter in it, and I think this look is perfect for this festive season. You can wear this look with your Indian outfit as well as with your western outfit, and this can be a perfect look for wedding guest makeup as well. Before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Expresso, and I am just drawing the borders on my brows first, and then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. I recently shared with you an updated eyebrow routine, and in that video I shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your makeup. I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. 16R Camo concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I am just cleaning up the borders on my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. The brush that I'm using is from Pune store, and it is their lip brush. This step is a must for me whenever I'm doing a full glam makeup. It just makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. It just makes my brows really sharp and defined. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This sponge is from Real Techniques. To set the concealer, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Butter from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and with this Morphe M441 brush, I'm just applying it as my transition color. This is a beautiful warm toned brown color, and it's a perfect transition color for my skin tone. And I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. So here's the key of achieving perfect eyeshadow look. You have to take little by little product, and you have to just slowly build it up. If you take a lot of product at a time, then it may become patchy. Now I am taking Roxanne, which is a warm toned brown color. It's a bit darker than the previous one, and with this Morphe M456 brush, I'm just applying it on my crease. Well, slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. So I am creating a new crease for myself, and this brush is just perfect for this purpose. Now I'm taking Chip, which is a darker brown shade, and with this e.l.f. blending brush, I'm applying it on my outer V area just to deepen my outer V area a bit and just to create that smokiness. I'm taking this shade called Sissy. It's a beautiful rose gold shade, and it has a duochrome effect. Like sometimes it's like a gold, sometimes it's like a pink. It is a perfect rose gold shade, and I'm applying it on all over on my eyelid. Now I'm taking Chip again with the same blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just smoking out my outer V area a bit more. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. I'm taking Roxanne again with the same brush, and I'm applying it between the dark brown shade and the shimmer shade just to have that perfect gradient effect. I'm also blending out the edges to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking this Nyx Glitter Primer and this Nyx Glitter in the shade Rose, and I'm applying it on top of the shade Sissy, and I'm applying it in a dispersed manner because I do not want a very concentrated glittery look. I want kind of soft glittery effect on my eyes. That's why I'm just applying it in this manner. Now with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Black, I'm just drawing a wing here. This is my favorite drugstore eyeliner, and it's a bit tricky to apply eyeliner on top of glitter, but you know, you have to be patient, and I always say that. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I'm taking this Too Faced Hangover RX primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago, and this is a perfect primer for people with dry skin. It is like a thick gel moisturizer, and it just hydrates your skin and gives a little bit of tackiness and makes your makeup long lasting. For color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentations, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles, and I'm just blending it out using my finger. For my foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation in the shade 80 Cashew, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp sponge. I have shared with you a full in-depth review of this foundation. If you are interested, you can definitely go ahead and check that out. This is my one of favorite drugstore foundations. It gives you a natural finish and it's kind of medium to full coverage. You can totally build it up and make it full coverage. It's pretty long lasting on my skin and it does not become heavy or cakey at all. I personally just love it. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using again my favorite. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And now I'm just blending it out again using the same damp sponge. Again, it's like one of my favorite drugstore concealers. It gives you full coverage, you can totally see, and it blends beautifully. It is crease proof, and here is a little bit of spoiler. It's actually a perfect dupe for the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Look at this, it's flawless, isn't it? Now I'm taking this Fit Me Loose powder again, and with the same damp sponge, I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. This is my favorite way of setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. And I'm setting my entire makeup using my Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. Now I'm taking the shade called Cheap, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line with this angled brush from Pune store, and I'm just making my lower lash line a little bit smokier than usual. This way my eyes will look bigger. Taking the shade called Sissy, which is the rose gold shade, I'm applying it right here on the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, which I will be using for my face later on. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence mascara, and I think this is their 16-hour mascara that comes in a purple bottle. For my falsies, I'll be using Ardell Foxwing lashes in this style 857 off camera, and here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. According to me, it is just a perfect look for this festive season. Again, it is really easy to recreate. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Palladio matte bronzer in the shade Teeny Bikini, cool name, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline as well as my nose. And the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. To contour my nose, I'm using this Morphe brush. This is, I think, E61 brush. To bronze up my face further, I'm taking this Flower Beauty bronzer and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. I'm taking this Revolution blusher Reloaded in the shade Rose Kiss and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. This is such a stunning blush. The formula is beautiful. It just melts right onto the skin and it is very long lasting. Now I'm taking the same Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this Real Technique setting brush. And you know the drill, right? The cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the sides of my forehead. This is my all-time favorite highlighter. And to set my entire makeup, I'm taking this e.l.f. setting spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. It is such a stunning nude pink shade. I love this color. And that is pretty much it. And here's the final look. I got my jewelry on. It's not a sari, it's my anarkali suit. And those jewelries are from a local market in India. And I truly love the way how it turned out. I can see myself wearing this look a lot during this festive season. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not subscribed yet, then please take a moment to subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products, their shades and everything in the description bar below as well, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.